welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do a length check, an update of my natural hair, and yeah, because a lot of people are requesting this. So as you guys know, I had relaxed hair, and in 2018 I cut off all the relaxed bit and I was growing my hair out, and my hair has grown so much. It has grown so much. So I'm gonna do the length check, and then I'm just gonna update you guys on what I've been doing to my hair, what's changed, what hasn't changed, what products I'm using, what products I don't use anymore, and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. Guys, excuse this lisp that I seem to have. It's because my wisdom tooth has like emerged and it's swollen and it's getting on my nerves. So don't watch that. Okay, so I'm going to take the back portion of my hair. So I'm going to use my measuring tape and we're going to measure it. So right now it's blow dried and straightened. So it is 13 inches. So not bad, but we want to get down to like 22 or something. Okay, let me see the temple, because my temple tends to be quite long. So let's see the temple. 14.5 inches. The front is 16 inches. So I feel like it's wrong, but we're just gonna go with it because I don't know. Anyways, let's see this side. Okay, 13 inches. 13 inches. Temple is 14 inches, which makes sense. Okay, the front is 17 inches. My hair is pretty even in a sense. The back of my hair is shorter than the front, but I knew that anyway. And what can I do? That is the length check. So it's hard to tell. We're not going to say that it's 13 inches because it's not it. So to give the length of my hair, I would say it is 16, 17 inches, purely based on the front of my hair, because the front of my hair is long and the back of my hair is short, but they all come down to the same thing. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what we're going to say. I'm going to say my hair is 16 to 17 inches, and I'm quite happy with that. For the moment, for how many years of growth? 2.5 years of growth, or 2 3/4 years of growth. I think that's a miracle. That's actually really good. So onto the updates on my hair. So what I have kept the same in my hair regimen is hair masks. I've always done hair masks, and the only time I haven't done it was in this wash day. Let's say this wash day, because I couldn't be bothered, and if I had to blow dry straight my hair, that was going to be too long for me, so I just didn't bother doing it. But it still came out okay because I did moisturize my hair a lot. I feel like I have been using the same mask, even though I've been trying different things. I have been using the Garnier Ultimate Blends Aloe Vera mask all this time, and I feel like it works so well for me. But I am trying to look for different ones I can use as well, because I love trying new things. Another thing that I've kept the same is that as soon as I wash my hair, condition it, mask it, deep condition it, I cainrow it straight away. Like, it's something that I want to, like, you know, change, but for the moment I just can't deal with my hair right now. So as soon as I do it, I just cainrow my hair and put wigs on, and I feel like that's what's helped my hair grow a lot, because I'm not touching it as much. Like, it's just in my cainrows, protected, and it just grows freely without any manipulation. So that is something that I have kept the same, and I do want to do more like hairstyles with my natural hair. But my hair in general, like I said to you guys on my channel, my hair is very disrespectful, it's very impolite, and it does not obey to my commands. So it's just a long process for me. But I will try to do more like twist out, braid out, span 2 knots. But it would have to be done on stretched hair because, as you guys know, shrinkage, when my hair is not in this state, it's like up to here, like my collarbone. I will be doing some protective styles bit by bit. Guys, bear with me. I know you guys want to see all those things, but it's just so long for me. But yeah, I will be doing videos on those soon. I've kept my brush the same. This brush is always dirty, guys. I'm really trying it. It just doesn't work. But I've been using this brush. I bought this at Lidl, but the dupe of it is the Tangle Teaser, and I feel like that's literally helps me so much. I don't use any other brush. I don't use the wide tooth comb or the Easy brush. I've done a review on it and it was alright, but ultimately the Tangle Teaser, this little brush, works for me. It just makes my wash day so much more easier. And as you can see, like, even though it's stretched, but it just helps me. Like, look at that. No problems, no snagging, no pain. Another thing that I've kept the same in my hair regimen is the way I wash my hair. I wash my hair in sections. I've really tried to be like these YouTubers and wash their hair in its, in its free state. It does not work for me. Oh my god. Last time I'd done that, I struggled so much because my hair shrunk so much that it was just so hard to get it back into a stretched state. And especially because my hair's high density, there was just so much packed into my little head. So I'm not doing that again until further notice. I section my hair and I feel like that works so well for me. Another thing I kept the same is my shampoo. I used the Twisted Sista Clarifying shampoo, and that's the one that I use to cleanse my scalp. And I really love it. Like, it foams well, it's sulfate free, and it smells good. I do really want to try different shampoo. I really want to try the Cream of Nature, the Argan Oil collection, the shampoo, because apparently it seems to do the same things, and I just like trying new things. So yeah, that's what I kept the same in terms of shampoo. However, one thing that I have kind of tweaked up is that when I section my hair, I use the clarifying shampoo to like cleanse my scalp, and then after I use a moisturising shampoo to wash my hair strands individually. And there's a lot of people that say, oh, you don't need to wash the whole head, it's the scalp that matters. Cleanse your scalp and then, let the water run through your strands and that's good enough. No, that is fake news. Do not listen to these people. It could work for them, but it didn't work for me, and I learned that the hard way, because you cleanse your scalp, but then your hair strands are stiff, you can't run your fingers through it, and you're there struggling. What I've done, I use my clarifying shampoo to cleanse my scalp so that it's proper clean, and then I use a moisturising shampoo to just get through the strands. And then at the end of it, my hair thanks me because it's clean, there's nothing on there, there's no tangles, and yeah, so that's something that I have tweaked up a bit. Another thing I tweaked is how long I keep my deep conditioner and my hair mask. At first, I obeyed what the bottle would say, and then I changed that. After that, I said to myself, I'm going to steam with that big bonnet thing, which does work, but I'm too lazy for that now. So what I do, I make sure my hair is really like saturated with water, put the hair mask, put like a hat or bonnet or a shower cap on, and I leave that overnight. And a lot of people say that leads to like hydro fatigue, or like it's not good for your hair, but it works for me. I have low porosity hair, as I say and scream and preach on my channel. So sometimes the times that they give on the products is just not enough for my hair. So I feel like once I leave it overnight and I just feel that my hair is just like sweating, and that's how you know that the product has sunk into my hair. So I don't obey the bottle. I steam the way I do it, and it works for me. So that's what I do. Another thing that I will tweak in my hair regimen is the blow drying, because like I said, I used to listen to people and just be like, okay, like, because that person done it, I'm gonna do it. No, like, heat doesn't, I don't mind the heat. Like, obviously there's a certain amount of heat that I will not really go towards to, but heat, it's not that deep for me. I've relaxed my hair, and when my hair was relaxed, it looked like this. I'm telling you now, let me even try and find pictures. When my hair was relaxed, it looked like this. That just means my hair doesn't really accept heat or chemicals or that much to the point where it changes my hair strands. So I will blow dry my hair as much as I can, because I feel like it just makes my life so much easier. I tried doing my hair in its natural state, which kind of helped, but I just can't be asked, guys. Like, it's just too much for me, and I'm doing this hair on my own, and because of this, I'm gaining muscles. I'm really gaining muscles because of this. So let's just, you know, find a shortcut. Another thing that I've tweaked up, my prepoo. Like, I tend to use oils to prepoo my hair, and it does work because it's nice to have like some natural products in your hair. And the oils I did use was olive oil or almond oil, and that works really well to prepoo my hair. However, I've tried African Pride's the prepoo thing. Guys, it's done something to me that I don't know what it is, but I love it. I've used it once, and I'm going to use that from now. It proper detangles your hair, it moisturizes your hair, and it makes everything easier. My wash day, when I used that prepoo, everything was just so easy. Like, the shampooing was easy, the conditioning was easy, like, everything was just so good. So I will now prepoo with that product, the African Pride product, because it's so good. Another thing that I will try to do is trim my hair often, and last time I trimmed it, there was a lot of like hair that I trimmed, and to be honest, I feel like it did me well, because since then I haven't been getting a lot of tangles. I've not been getting like just crusty ends. Right now I think they're okay. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, like, it's not too bad. It's not too bad. And last time I trimmed my hair was in November, so I will see when would be the time, but I'm not in a rush, because right now my hair's not really experiencing any like weird things. That is how, you know, I got my hair to grow. Like, it's been a lot of trial and error, because as you guys know, I've never been natural in my life. I've always had relaxed hair, and even with relaxed hair, I didn't take care of my hair, but it still looked civilized. But now, like, I'm taking a lot more care. My hair is flourishing even more. So I think that is literally it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope I've answered many of your questions. If you guys still have any questions, just put your comments down below and I'll try to answer them. And yeah, I think that's the end of the video, and thank you for watching. Bye.